Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to day 45 of our 60-day rule-based trading challenge. And today marks the completion of three-fourths of the distance in terms of the duration. So we completed 45 days out of the 60 days. And today was a profitable day, and mainly thanks to the India VIX, which contributed for the today's profit. Our trend analysis was neither wrong nor right. So, which means the market was sideways. Still, we were able to closed the day in reasonable profit only because of the favor from the India VIX. So India VIX, which is still in a higher range, but today it started cooling down a bit. So that helped us in terms of the premium decay. So it is interesting to see how what happened for the day. So let me show you the trade for the day. So we started the day at 9:45, or we got an indication that market could be bullish, and accordingly we sold 24,650 put at 88 rupee 10 paisa of this week itself, that is tomorrow expiry instrument. And we our trailing stop loss, that is time based trailing stop loss, got triggered at 3 o'clock, and we closed it at 63.30, which means we made a reasonable good profits. So as far as the chart is concerned, in terms of the premium, the instrument which we traded, you see here at 9:45 we sold at 88 rupee 10 paise. And post that, the market was kind of moving in the positive and negative directions from our trade. So it was for a while profit and for a while losses, and it was occurring for till about 10:45. So that means about an hour it was not made up any mind over here, and then it started dipping. It took a dip at 10:45, and post that it constantly fell throughout the day, and again in the towards the end of the day it started moving opposite to our direction. But anyways, by 1:30, we, as you know, we start the trailing stop loss based on the day low. So this was the day low reference which occurred at 2:15, and if the day low is 42.35, and that over that 50% stop loss, so that means 63.30. So that got triggered at 3 o'clock. So we exited the trade. But as you see here, the steep dip in the premium, you will not see the same pattern in the index over here. The Nifty 50, this is a Nifty 50 chart. This is a candle at which we sold. So even if you assume that the opening level we sold, opening was say somewhere here. So this is the opening level is 24,806. We would have sold our at that level. We sold the put. But if you look at the end of the day, it was against our trade. Even at the exit candle, also, if you look at it, it was against it. It fell below our level at which we sold, where we took the entry. The level at which it was below the level at which we had entered the trade. Only for a while it went above our price. Like the index went above the level at which when we sold the put. So for the remaining part of the day, it was completely on a sideways, but still we were able to end the day in profits only because of the India VIX, as I was mentioning. As you see here at 9:45, the opening level was 18.59 or so, and it ended at around 3 o'clock. It dropped to 18.06. And as you see here, India VIX got dropped as compared to yesterday. 2.79% is the drop, and that helped us a lot. So what it means is we, as a option trader, it is not only the price action of the index or the instrument which we trade, but also the keep it in mind the India VIX impact as well. From a trading journal perspective, so we sold 24,650 put, and at 88 rupee 10 paise, we covered it at 63.30 as we exited because of the time-based trailing stop loss got hit, and we incurred a trading cost of 59 rupees, which means we closed the day in a profit of 1801. Our conviction in the trade was not so great because it was a bit of a confusing trend for the day. So it was, although we took a bullish bias, it was not very convincing. So the confidence level in terms of the taking the trade was pretty low. And with this profits today, after 45 days, we are now, our P&L stands at 15.92%, and today's profits helped us to make the get our equity curve become better. But although we still have not recaptured the pre-peak level, but still a reasonably good recovery has happened over here, and that has helped us for now. So it was a kind of a interesting day, more in terms of the, although the boring day in terms of the sideways market, but from a learning perspective as a for a option trader. So it was the clear demonstration of the VIX was available today. So that's all for the day. Thanks for your continued support, and see you tomorrow for the 46th day of for this trading challenge. Bye bye. Take care. Good day. Good evening.